Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Husband Tracks Down Wife's Robber. What did they steal? Let's get into it.
A lieutenant with the Bay County Sheriff's Office was on his way home when he was flagged down. Beachgoers pointed out a man walking down the street and said that he had just robbed a woman of her iPhone, and it would be the victim's husband who would track him down.
What am I being charged with, officer?
Do me a favor.
Officer, am I being charged with a crime?
Yes,
or no?
you are.
What crime?
Theft.
By whom?
By them down there.
Who's them down there? That's the wrong term, brother.
Don't call me brother again.
Yes, sir, I apologize. Please don't, please, officer, please.
Do me a favor. I will not approach you. You stop.
No, sir.
I'm not going to approach you. You stop.
Okay, stop.
Stop.
No, sir.
I stop.
Good.
Stop.
Good.
When my backup gets you, you're going to be put in handcuffs.
That's fine, bro. That's fine. It's lawful. Can we just hold up? Just let it come to that.
For 33, can you advise, is it going to be a 24F?
Sir, I feel for...
That's what I'm being told, but I can't get with a victim yet.
My life is in danger. Help!
Oh God, here we go.
I'm 1097.
Look, that's all I want you to do. You don't have no freeze. Just look.
On the ground.
On what charge? I'm stopping. We'll handle it. On what charge? Just tell me what I'm being charged with, officer. That's all. That's lawful. In boundaries.
If I have to put my hands on you,
Sir,
it's
please
really
don't
bad.
put your hands on me. Please don't touch me. Please, I fear for my life. Do not touch me again without proper charge. Sir, do not touch me again without proper charge.
132, go ahead.
Please. I'm begging you, please. Help. All I want is proper help. Help.
Oh yeah, get him right.
I'm not
Get him right.
you.
Get him right.
No.
Oh yeah.
I haven't heard anything.
Oh yeah.
I haven't. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Sir, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's too late. Sorry
Sir.
now.
Sir, that was your
All right,
wife.
get your handcuffs out. Handcuffs out now.
Please, sir. I'm sorry. I don't know how this
Oh,
happened.
we got good Samaritan.
My wife is what happened.
Yes, sir. And Mr. Sir. This is,
Turn your wrist.
yes,
Sorry,
sir.
put
Yes,
you in
sir.
cuffs.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm sorry
There,
about
he's
your
in
wife.
cuffs.
Sincerely.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
All right. Are y'all okay, brother?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. All right.
No.
No, don't you touch me.
Do not
Proper
put your
charge.
Theft.
Proper charge.
It's actually strong.
You
robbery.
let me stand up.
I will. I'm trying to get you to stand up now.
What? Sir, please, I just
done.
want to stand up.
Stay here.
I just
Stay
want
here.
to stand up. Help.
All right. Is your truck unlocked?
Please, sir, help.
No.
I just need you to help me. Please.
Okay.
Please, I just want to breathe, man. Just give me a breath.
33 back.
Please. Help.
33.
Oh, God, help.
We are at 10:15.
I need to breathe.
All right. Tell me what happened.
I don't really know. I just got called. I was at the house. He slapped my wife.
All right. I'm going to go get his truck real quick so I can get him put in the truck. I'll be right back with you. Hey, Mike, right down there on the left. We got to put him in this truck.
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. Oh, God, help.
By the way, thanks for your help.
Hey, he makes my wife on the phone. They right down there.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh wait, hold up. Wait a minute. I gotta get on the big screen for this. Hold up. Did this guy in the orange just say that the guy laying on the ground slapped his wife? And so when they was tussling, he just held his arm, to help the officers. I ain't gonna lie. If I'm face to face with the guy that slapped my wife in that position, boy, what? Oh nah, boy, you ain't about to put your hands on my wife, man. Oh no, oh no, boy. Oh, you gonna have to get it, my boy. You gonna have to get it, boy. I don't care, yo. Yeah, they gonna have to lock me up too, man. Forget that. What? This guy slapped your wife? Oh no, boy. Boy, I'm gonna hit him so hard, boy. I'm gonna punt him like the football, punters. You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, he laying down right there. The cops are trying to wrestle. Boy, I'm putting his head right there. Bow! Oh, yeah. He done. You know what I mean? Hell nah, boy. I get it, though. He did the right thing, man, but I don't know if I could do the right thing. I don't know.
She said he dropped a knife and a wallet and a hat or something along through here.
All right, let's go find that real quick.
Okay.
So tell me exactly what happened before we go down there.
All right, well, they were walking up off the beach to go to the bathroom. And he was walked up, and apparently he slapped my wife and knocked her phone and a beer out of her hand. And then he took her phone and went running around the condo or whatever down there.
All right, so let's go down there where it happened, okay?
Okay.
I want to know why I'm being arrested.
Get in the truck.
I want to know why I'm being arrested.
Theft, battery, strong arm robbery.
Sit down. Sir, please. I'm not running. I just want to breathe. Okay, get in there. Please, I'm not getting in the car. I got to breathe.
You can breathe.
Sir, please.
Stop.
I don't want to holler.
Stop. Stop.
I don't want
Stop. Stop. For the love of Christ, stop. You don't have your album? I normally have leg off. There, my other. Hold this. I'll be right back.
Bro, hold on. He look kind of young, boy. Come on now. Brother, you are too young to have this build. This build is crazy. You look like you in your 20s, bro. You can't have a build like this in your 20s, bro. At least wait till your 30s. This build is crazy.
Have your album? I don't. I normally have leg off. There, my other. Hold this. I'll be right back.
54, trying to locate.
We got him. I wasn't going to fight him by myself. I wanted for backup. If you ain't running, I got plenty of time to get back up. I'll be right back. Hey, put him in. He finally get in?
16471.
He's the husband of the victim. The victim's down there.
Sir, I'm right here.
You got him in? All right. See if you get anything on him. Find out who his information is.
Looks like I've got.
Probably have a strong arm 24. And you have hand sanitizer? Door. Driver's door.
16797.
Here's his glasses, by the way.
Who's that?
No, he's got it.
All right, so what all do you need from me, LT?
Find out his information. Find his name, all that like that. Are you working TDC? This is your case, by the way.
58
So, there's a group of people down there on the left. You see him right down there? See that golf cart is just beyond on the left-hand side? That's where our victim's at. Okay. So if you want to go down there, and I'll meet you down there, and we'll find out exactly what, where, when, and why.
Okay.
All right, so when do I get out of here?
Not further.
Just a few minutes. I got some investigations I need to do.
Okay, and that's cool, man. Call it what you want to call it.
What's your first name, boss man?
Sir?
What's your false name?
I still didn't hear you, Bubba.
First name.
Oh, wait, what is this for?
So I can find out who you are.
Fun stuff.
We're no further.
So your wife down here?
Yeah,
That group?
All of them at that group. And
Okay.
there's 3 or 4 witnesses.
Okay, so we're going to all go down there.
Right,
Yep.
okay.
So we can go get everything.
Did y'all walk this way to find a knife and something he threw down? They'll tell you more about it.
I never saw him throw anything down. When I was with him the whole time, he never threw anything down.
Right.
So it was right before I got out with
Oh,
him.
you got there, yeah.
So I'll look at there. I'll look there too.
Oh, it doesn't matter who I am. Am I being charged with a crime?
Yes, you are.
Okay, which crime am I being charged with, please? Please, officer, I'm just playing my rules, brother. I'm not trying to...
All right, so either you can tell me your name or I'm just going to add an additional charge. I'm not going to argue with you.
Well, I'm not either, brother. It's the
Okay.
Constitution. I mean, you know...
Yeah, and you're in violation of the law.
You got more wet on this than I do.
You're in violation of the law. So what is your first name?
I'm not violating, sir, please.
Okay, well, battery, you got resisting, you got all kind of stuff.
Okay.
So let's talk. What's your first name?
I'm trying to aggravate you.
Okay, what's your first name?
424.
James.
I was coming off those steps right there, and I was like this, and he rounded the corner, and I thought he was going to brush into me, and about that time, he slapped my cup in my face and grabbed my phone. I mean, he took off running. Yeah, my phone. He grabbed my phone. He took his phone.
Okay.
And he went around the building, and they heard me screaming. And he came back around the building and got on his knees, and I said, "Give me my phone." And he offered me his watch, and I said, "You just took my phone." And he said, "I don't know what you're talking about." And then Amy went and found my phone in the bushes. He had just tossed it. I don't know if he was going to come back and get it.
I guess he didn't have the knife though when you took your phone, did he?
No, I guess it was in his pocket.
Right. Okay.
He didn't everything. Yeah.
Okay.
So what happened? Who hit you?
I don't know. There's the whole parking lot, man. They say I hit some lady, and I'm not saying I did or I didn't. I don't know. I don't know how I got there. All I know is you or a deputy. That's what I know right now, brother. That's my reality.
I'm just doing a radio check. Man, no one's gonna forget about you. Okay, I promise you. Nobody's gonna forget. We know that you're here. We know that you're here. Give me just a minute, okay? Yes, sir. All right, I gotta talk to Sergeant Morris and your fellow lieutenants.
Got one more to bring in.
Nope, you're gonna stay right there for right now.
We're gonna have EMS come take a look at you, okay?
That'd be great. Could I have a cigarette?
406.
Can't have a cigarette.
Forest.
It's against our policy.
That's 12, and I'll be in route towards 471 until we hear further.
Yeah.
What's your policy?
We don't allow any smoking.
On the premises whatsoever?
I'm just afraid he'll hurt himself or somebody else.
Well, he's getting checked out by EMS also, because we think there's something else that's going on also. So if you get your report, we'll get you taken.
All right, so hold on. Listen to me. I'm gonna open this door. You're gonna keep your legs in the vehicle.
Absolutely.
They're gonna come and talk to you. Okay, we're not gonna move.
No, we're not. That's why EMS is here,
Exactly, man. I'm cool. I'm so cool, dude. So cool. Please just help me.
I'm the paramedic, so if you need medical attention, I'll be happy to give it to you.
I'd like to know what's going on as soon as possible.
Okay.
If I could just my own peace of mind, man, and know what.
Which way are you heading out?
I'm not getting out. I'm not
Which way
getting
are you
out.
heading? Whatever
As far as I know,
I told you to stay in. Keep your feet in that vehicle.
I'm in. I'm not running. I just want to get a breath of fresh air, and please just help me figure out what's going on. Please.
Have you done any drugs?
I smoked pot last night, man. I used some dab, some dab. I'd have been dab, you know, like one of the electric pins, man. And that is it. And that is as real as I can get. I mean, that is to my knowledge.
Do you know where you're at right now?
I have no idea where I am. Okay. I mean, I have a general. I mean, I'm at the beach, and this is, you know, Florida. It's probably PC.
Are you from here?
No, not from here. I'm from South Georgia, but my parents split up and blah 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 whatever. You know,
So you're here on vacation, or do you live here now?
It's transient kind of thing. Started out with, but I've got a job. I've got an address. I have a probation officer. Officer Paramore.
Somebody's been giving you PCP?
Something has happened because she knows. Officer please call her Dawn Paramore. My probation officer knows this is not me. Because I mean,
well, we can take you down to the hospital and find out what's in your system.
I want to. I need to talk to a lawyer before I do anything like that, man. If you just please talk to Dawn Paramore, and she stay probation. That's my probation officer. She will help me figure out what's going on. She knows this is not me, man.
I just need to know if you want to go to the hospital. We'll take you to the hospital.
I want to go to the hospital, man.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Thank you. Come right over here.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, hold on. Just let me.
Yeah,
I've got a cramp in my leg, bro. Just don't snatch me, please.
You're still in our custody as well.
For what? For
Lieutenant
what, sir?
Smith will explain all of that.
No, sir. No, sir. You will explain before I'm placed in custody, and that's the way the Constitution works.
You're already in custody.
Yeah, for all intents and purposes. Come on. Why, man?
Come on, we're done. You want to go to the hospital? You can go to the hospital. Sit down.
I want to go down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Absolutely. I want to go.
I'm going to take this cuff off.
Yes,
we're going to cuff into the bed.
That's fine, brother. I'm not resisting. Y'all do what you got to do, Bubba. Anything I need to do to help, you just let me know.
Just be compliant.
Yes,
do what
ma'am.
we ask you to do.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
I like how the dude he caught an officer Bubba. Like that's like the second time he do. That's like, you know. Listen, that build is crazy. He call him Bubba.
Treat these guys the same as I treat deputies.
Absolutely. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. I appreciate it.
The suspect was taken to the hospital and later released to the Bay County Sheriff's Office without incident. According to court documents, he was charged with felony robbery, resisting arrest with violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer.
I'm sorry, y'all.
It turned out they were proper charges because he was found guilty on all counts and racked up fines totaling over $1,000 while receiving a maximum sentence of 40 months in state prison.
He's out of Georgia. He's here on state probation with Don Paramore.
We just followed it.
Definitely.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.